So hi guys, it's almost dinner time ug nay niabot karon na pagkaon from our, mga lovely food sellers. This time it's from Sharon Sanchez of SKitchen. So kaniyang business, by the way, started during the pandemic. It was a challenging time for all of us. Labi na sa iya ko no, but laban lang yun ko no, and she started SKitchen from her home, and now she's sending me this. So, mauni karon. Atong tan-awon unsa yang gipada. I think she sent me Lechon Manok na Bisaya ug kaniyang kaldereta. So, let's look at the food first before nato tilawan. Guys, mauni atong nadawat by ang kaldereta with Johnny Walker ang iyang gigamit na alcohol para mawa ang baho. Then, of course, itong paborito, Lechon Manok Bisaya. Awaw, gwapa kay tanawon bay. Gwapa gid kayo. Laban? So now it's time to taste some of the specialty of SKitchen. Daghan pa ba yan silang specialties na panisla mga siomay, pungko, ngoyong, o daghan pa kayo ng klase-klaseng sudan. Pero she's sending us some of her best sellers. Mo gini ang Kalderetang Kanding o ang Lechon Manok Bisaya. So excited na kay ko. So time to taste. Hello guys, welcome to our dinner time mukbang, and tonight it's all about local Filipino food from our friends from Sharon's Kitchen, SKitchen. So money ang ilang, a part of their Lechon Manok Bisaya. Humot ba kayo ba? I love the herbs that she uses. Nang humot gid kayo. And manok Bisaya siya. Og kaldereta ko na she used Johnny Walker. Yawa no? So normally when you use kaldereta sa una sa among panahon, I think some use gin. Sa Bohol, I think we use Mallorca. And some sa iya Johnny Walker. Whoa. Interesting, no? So they normally put some alcohol para to counteract sa kanang medyo anghit sa baho sa kanding, but iya lima ka Johnny Walker. So a little story about ang kaning Sharon Sanchez SKitchen. Sharon's Kitchen, mana SKitchen for short. This is based in Talisay, and she started the business during the pandemic. Yeah, it's a challenging time for her, pero part of her paglaban, pagsukol sa sitwasyon is to start this business. Na right now it's purely online, but she's been catering to clients as far as, she's from Talisay, but she's catering clients as far as Liloan, Lapu-Lapu. So she has party packs, she has meals. So napa siya yung mga ngoyong, siomay, uguban pa. So makabilib sa tawhana because she really fought on, and then she's now delivering or giving us really good food. So now we're gonna taste it. Tonight this is Lechon Manok na Bisaya. So this is native chicken, which is really, known to be tastier. Yeah, mas organic, you want organic. Mo ang Bisayang manok. Very flavorful. Not as fatty as kanang sa kuana. Ay nakalingaw ani, marag lami king timpla. Yeah. Hot kayo. Dapat ko kutsara. Pwede magkinamot unta ko. But, yeah. Humot ko sa baba yung lechon manok eh. Kita ka? Sarap to the bones. Yung kaldereta. Kana murag lahi sa baho yang kuan ya, murag Johnny Walker og baho ang yang sarsa. Na hints of sweetness ba kanang sweet smell. Really tender. Tiil sa di. Drumsticks, I have a goat drumstick. So, kumpleto sa gulsad na carrots, potato, peas. No, sorry about that. Careful with this bone. Wala. Bitaw, lisod kay pangitaan ng mga lechon manok. Kuhan ba? Nasal na good. Very good. Kasi she has a very good lechon manok na nasal. Mahal talang natas probinsya ba? Ito tagbukid. Magpa inasal tag lechon manok. Kinamot na yan ko. And of course, kaya yung kanding maay pagkahimo. Nindot ni sumsuman. Nindot tudanon. Kung alam ko ikuyos balay, ako ting ihurot to tanan. Asang manok. Bitaw. Lami siya, even the litid hubok. Ano na itong lami, kit-kit-kit-kiton niya. Ito, kit-kiton niya. So, yeah. Wow. Lami. No, na. If you want to order, yeah, check out the Facebook page of Sharon's Kitchen, SKitchen. Yeah, apil sa niya sa itong mga grupo sa Rafi na mga na nag-supportan sa Rafi, and now she's really thriving. She's a great example na with a small puhunan, you know, you can't be beaten sa circumstance na mubangon ka, na musukol ka sa pandemic. Despite the pandemic, you thrive. So murag paro pa sa akong amigo na si Richard, mutuog siya ng concept na anti-fragile, na during tough times, instead of really just surviving, you actually thrive. And he's just showing us that, you know, you can be anti-fragile. You can thrive in this difficult situation with really perseverance, with a belief in yourself. Anything can happen. And with the support, of course, of the people, diba? With the market, you know, with your friends. Manang, a lot of people right now, especially entrepreneurs or even just common people, needs our support. Manang, tinabangay ta, support each other, encourage each other. Let's, you know, recover together, thrive together in this difficult time. And yes, order sa iya, follow her if ever di pa kakapalit, o follow her, like her page, share it, basi dig na kay kaila na maganahan sa iyang kuan, iyang mga produkto, share this video, and who knows, makatabang ka one way or another, di ba? And muna, let's help each other, and thank you so much for watching once again, and thank you so much for your support. And if ever na mo'y ganahan ako tilawan, ganahan ako adtuan, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Or if you have your own business also and you want me to feature it, yeah, don't just PM me and we can talk about how I can help you. So I can help you in many ways. Even sharing your, your pictures could be, could mean a lot already to you and to me. So mana, inamangay ta, and yeah, let's keep on looking for the best or the most delicious dishes in Cebu in this difficult time na daghan gihapon kaayo, makabilip gyud kayo mga Cebuanos, and mana, let's keep on exploring, and I hope to see you na sa sunod na mga videos. Bye bye bye.